Hey guys, welcome to Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty, and today we're going to remove the radio from a 2018 Toyota Corolla. We are only going to need two tools: 4140 Pry Tool, which you'll see in my description if you haven't got one, and a 10mm. On the end of a cordless drill is fine, with a magnetic tip at the end of it. Okay, first thing we have to do is take off the side panel. The side panel pops out sideways, so really it just needs a little bit of pressure about there, and we should be able to just pop it off. As you can see, 4 clips, and it literally just pushes on, so it pops off the same way. Okay, next piece is all of this, and it all comes off on its own. There's no other pieces to remove. You can start here. Sometimes you can get in behind it with your fingers and just pop it like such. Okay, that comes down here. You will probably need to push this out just a little bit, because if you try and pull it in, you might just see them there. It pops behind this panel here. Okay, but you can pry it out and come around it. Okay, all the way up. And on some of these, they get caught right in here. If you pop it out from the top, you'll start taking this off as well, but the clip is actually right in there. So I'm going to use my little tool and give it a little bit of helping hand, and it should release right there. Okay, one clip on one side for the hazard switch, one clip on the other side for the clock. That can go in the back seat. And then with our 10mm, we undo the 4 bolts that have now become visible. Okay, this little clip fell down, so I'm going to rescue that before I lose it. In a minute we'll find out where that goes. Right, and then that just slides forwards. And we'll wiggle that out past the dash. And then we can undo all our plugs. This one is our front speakers and power. That one is our rear speakers. This one is the camera. This one is USB. That one's steering wheel controls. And that one is antenna. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to remove the radio of a Corolla.